Okay, so you're curious about how much it costs to open a Monzo account, huh? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's actually free. Yes, you heard that right. There are no hidden fees or charges involved in opening a Monzo account. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and talk about what Monzo is and why you might want to consider opening an account with them. Monzo is a digital bank that offers a variety of banking services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and debit cards. They're known for their innovative features and user-friendly app, which makes them a popular choice for people who are looking for a modern and convenient banking experience. So, now that we've covered the basics, let's get back to the question at hand. How much does it cost to open a Monzo account? As I mentioned earlier, the answer is free. There are no setup fees, annual fees, or minimum balance requirements. Of course, there are some other things to keep in mind when considering opening a Monzo account. For example, you'll need to be at least 18 years old and have a valid UK passport or ID card. You'll also need to provide proof of your address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Once you've met the eligibility requirements, you can simply download the Monzo app and follow the prompts to create an account. The whole process is quick and easy, and you can be up and running in no time. So, there you have it. If you're looking for a free and easy-to-use bank account, Monzo is a great option. With its innovative features and user-friendly app, Monzo is a great choice for people who are looking for a modern and convenient banking experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.